How to source account from phone number in Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the source icon. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Facebook and click on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Facebook and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now simply tap on the source settings. Now type contacts. Now tap on source. Now from this page simply tap on upload contacts. Now wait for some time. Now select your Facebook account. Now enable this toggle. Now tap on continue. Now wait for some time. Now if you have any Facebook friends from your contacts, it will be shown here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.